Keep learning with Priya ma'am. Hello children, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to do Bharat Ko Jano chapter 1. First, area of Bharat. (32.8 lakh square kilometers). Second, east to west extent. 2,933 kilometers. Third, north to south extent. 3,214 kilometers. Fourth, southernmost point of Bharat. Indira Point. Fifth, head of state in Bharat. President. Eighth, geographical center of Bharat. Karaundi village, district Katni, Madhya Pradesh. Seventh, standard time meridian. 82°.30 east longitude. Eighth, type of government in Bharat. Parliamentary democracy. Ninth, the highest waterfalls. Kunchikal Falls, 455 meters in Karnataka. 10th, Bharat's longest river bridge. Bhupen Hazarika Setu. 11th, smallest state by area. Goa. 12th, largest state by area. Rajasthan. 13th, highest mountain peak. Godwin Austen, K2. Number of states. 28. 15th, number of union territories. 8. 16th, Bharat's most literate state. Kerala. 17th, Bharat's least literate state. Bihar. 18th, forest area coverage in percentage. 24.62% of total area. 19th, head of the government. Prime Minister. 20th, highest situated battlefield. Siachen, Ladakh. 21st, state with the highest population density. Bihar. 22nd, state with the least population density. Arunachal Pradesh. 23rd, Largest district by area. Kutch, Gujarat. 24th. Smallest district by area. Mahe, Puducherry. 25th. State with largest coastline. Gujarat. 26th. Longest sea beach. Marina Beach, Chennai. 27th. Longest tunnel by road. Atal Tunnel 9 kilometers, Himachal Pradesh. 28th. Highest civilian award. Bharat Ratna. 29th. Highest military award. Padmavir Chakra. 30th. Largest residential building. Rashtrapati Bhavan. 31. National flag. Tricolor. 32. National motto. Satyamev Jayate. 33. National animal. Majestic tiger. 34. National water animal. Gangetic dolphin. 35. National currency symbol. Rupee. 36. National tree. Banyan. 37. National calendar. Saka Samvat. 38. National river. Ganga. 39. National song. Vande Matram. 40. National anthem. Jana Gana Mana. Dear children, I hope these questions will help you to increase your general knowledge. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So God bless to all of you and keep smiling.